What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your home for real updates, raw analysis, and no BS conversations about XRP and the broader crypto world. Now, listen. I can feel it. The fear, the doubt, the hate. And honestly, I love it, because every time the market bleeds, every time the headlines scream panic, that's when the smart money moves. When everyone's losing faith, that's when conviction pays off. Because those of us holding XRP for the long game, we already know all in is the only answer. People always need to see before they believe. But that's not how you win in crypto. You believe first, you understand first, and the results follow later. And right now, buckle up, we've got some breaking news that proves exactly why. Ripple Prime officially launches. Remember Ripple's acquisition of Hidden Road? That massive billion-dollar move everyone was whispering about. It's finally live. Ripple Prime just went official in the US. And this changes the game. Ripple Prime is now offering digital asset spot prime brokerage services, meaning institutional clients can execute OTC spot trades across major cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, including XRP and RUSD. For anyone who doesn't know, OTC, over-the-counter, trading isn't for retail. It's for the big players, hedge funds, institutional investors, and corporations moving millions, even billions of dollars. That's real liquidity entering the space. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Ripple is combining its multiple licenses with Hidden Road's infrastructure to offer foreign exchange, digital assets, derivatives, swaps, and fixed income trading, all under one institutional platform. This means Ripple Prime isn't just another exchange. It's a complete financial gateway for institutions. We're talking about a system clearing over $3 trillion annually with more than 300 institutional clients. These are not your everyday retail traders. These are the financial heavyweights of the world. Trump speaks on crypto, and China. Now let's talk politics. Because, believe me, it matters. Donald J. Trump was recently interviewed on 60 Minutes, and once again, crypto was front and center. Trump said it straight. China is going big on crypto, and the US needs to stay number one. He said, I campaigned openly for crypto. Biden campaigned against it. But when Biden realized I was winning the entire crypto vote, he flipped and tried to support it. But it was too late. They still voted for me. Trump made it clear. He wants to make crypto great for America. He doesn't want China leading in this space. He said, in crypto, there's no number two. You're either number one or you're nowhere. We're number one now, and I intend to keep it that way. That's massive. You have the leading political figure in the US calling crypto and blockchain the industries of the future, right alongside artificial intelligence. That should tell you something about where this is headed. Market update. XRP price action. Now, let's talk price. Remember what I said yesterday? I called it. Something big was going to happen in November. And here we are. We saw a drop down to around $0.238, hitting that key support level perfectly. The market dipped, the consolidation broke, and now we're bouncing back slightly to $0.241. That's the same support level we discussed. And it's holding, for now. The question is, where do we go from here? Looking at the charts, Bollinger Bands are stretched, showing we're in oversold territory. Price action is compressed and sitting near the bottom. So, yes, people got liquidated, especially leverage traders who ignored the warning signs. But this is what we love to see. Accumulation zones forming while the crowd panics. Because when everyone else is selling, that's when the smart money prepares to buy. If XRP holds these levels, our next targets move up through 25 cents, 28 cents, and potentially 30 cents if momentum returns in November. So, eyes on that. Because once liquidity kicks in, XRP could rebound fast. Institutional momentum and market confidence. And let's not forget, while retail sentiment is shaky, institutions are building. Michael Saylor just bought more Bitcoin again. The man doesn't care about dips or FUD. He just keeps accumulating. Because he understands what's coming next. And Ripple? With Ripple Prime officially live, they've positioned themselves perfectly for the next institutional wave. This is competition-level stuff against the biggest OTC players. Ripple now offers cross-margin OTC spot trading, which means large clients can manage massive transactions seamlessly across multiple assets. Asterisk, this isn't about hype anymore. This is about infrastructure. Ripple is laying the rails for the next financial era. Asterisk, so yeah, November might not have started the way many hoped, but the fundamentals couldn't be stronger. The US president is talking crypto. Ripple just went live with institutional-grade services, and the market is testing key support levels before its next leg. Asterisk, people are panicking. People are giving up. But not us. Because those who understand the long game, those holding XRP with conviction, know that patience always wins. Asterisk, so stay sharp, stay ready, and keep your eyes open. Because when this market flips, it's going to be explosive. Asterisk, this is Crypto Labs news. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next update. November's just getting started. An XRP story is far from over. Asterisk, we're all in. Asterisk, we're bullish. Asterisk, let's send it. Asterisk, peace.